What's up, my beauty queen? What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. And I'm at 1K. Talk to me nice, talk to me good. Bap, bap, bap. And in today's video, we're going to turn a synthetic wig into a human hair. Just kidding. We're going to make a synthetic wig look good. So first of all, you want to grab your wig cap, which I did. I get a wig cap that is not even my color, not close to my color, but whatever. Guys, when you get to the wig cap, make sure you get a wig cap that's close to your color, okay? But in my case, I didn't. I didn't know off of my lace going to hide anyways, so it wasn't. So guys, I didn't want this video to be too boring, so I speed up most of it, but you can see what I am doing anyway. So right now, I didn't remember to cut out the air spot, so I'm cutting out the air spot, and all I use is got to be freezing spray to hold on this wig. So what you want to do, you want to get that freezing spray, put it around your head, and then all you have to do is blow dry it until it dry. Don't put your finger like, oh, I'm putting my finger touching it. Only reason why I'm putting my finger because I already know off of my lace going to hide anyways, and I just was having fun doing whatever I'm doing. So now what you want to do is cut off the excess lace, and in my case, you should have do the back, sew the back, or whatever you want to do with the back. I could have bothered. All I do is tie the back. Just tie the back on the hair. All I did was just to tie the back. A big shout out to Image and Dali. I really appreciate you guys. Go and subscribe to the channel, Image and Dali. Big up on yourself.
Can I break that star? And she must real far. She's a star, yeah. She's a star.
Guys, you realize to the side of my hair doesn't hold on properly. I could have spent a little more time and hold it on properly, but guess what? My lace is barely going to show, so I wasn't worrying about that. What you want to do is to grab the spray again and put it to lay down the little thing that come up a little bit. Just lay it down properly, and this is where I just tie the back instead of sew it. Guys, in this case, if you're going to show your lace, if your lace is going to show, you want to bleach the lace or either put foundation on your lace. In my case, my lace is white, and the thing is, I didn't have enough time, and I didn't really want to put too much of foundation on it. So in my case, I just put a little bit of foundation on the inside to get my parting sleek and nice. And I realized my foundation go a little bit over on the ear, which I get a spray and I spray it. You will see it later on in the video. And then I just slay that wig on, and after I slay the wig on, all I do was to make sure the wig is in place that the way I want it, pin it back, and just go ahead and got to be sprayed. And yeah, you will see. Sometimes I'm not good at explaining. I show you better than how I explain, but I try. Don't beat a girl from trying. I try, okay? So welcome to all my new supporters. Welcome. Okay? I appreciate you guys 100%. If you're not yet a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and be a part of my family, because on this channel, I'm going to do a lot more. I'm going to do a lot more vlogs, pranks. This is just going to be my channel. I'm going to do a lot more than just hair. Okay? So now I'm cutting out the excess hair, making sure it match my hairs, making sure it look good, and then I just got to be sprayed down more and make sure it's good. Put a little foundation, which I need to get a better foundation because my foundation is a little bit lighter than me, just a little bit lighter than me, but I make it work. You will see.
She's a star, yeah. Hustle, for the money, for the bread, yeah. You cannot break her down, you cannot break her meds, yeah. When she hustles round the corner, cause she sees the money maker. She's a go-getter,
I will do a next video with my lace showing, with me installing my wig better. Yeah.
Chisha, are you ready? Look, turn that shit up. Yeah, she's a star. She's a star.
Now I get elastic that I always use to tie down my lace so that it just stays sleek and nice, and it look more nicer when you tie it down like that.
Hustle all the time, yeah. She always on the ground, yeah. Tryna make her ends meet, yeah.
I went ahead and I cut off the little ends because I don't want this wig to look too synthetic. So I cut off the ends and make it look like straight and flat. You don't have to, depending on the wig you have and how you want it to look. You can just do whatever make you happy, okay? In my case, I just didn't want it.
She's a hustler, yeah. She's a go-getter.
I don't like cutting. I'm very scared of cutting, but when I had to cut, I cut.
She's a star, she's a star, she's a star. She's a star, she's a blessing. One in the mountain, running the place, yeah. Hustling with time, yeah. Money on the side.
After I cut, I get my little flat iron, my comb iron, and just get it a little more flat and nice, because the flatter the hair bees are nicer, and you want to do this on a low heat. So what I did, I plugged it in and I plugged it out and then use it to flat iron on the ear. This ear is very soft, synthetic ear already. They tell you how much each you can put on the hair, so you want to put that, and then I just get it as flat and nice as possible, and then you see my parting don't look nice. And even though I got to use a spray that doesn't match it, it looked even a little bit better to me. In my case, it looked a little more better. So I go ahead and I buy the spray, and the spray was brown. They didn't have black, and it wasn't going to run to no black spray. So I get the brown, I put the tail coal right in the center where I need the parting to be, and I just go ahead and I spray it. You will see it look a little bit brown, but it's really and truly don't look bad after it dry. And I was skeptic at first, but then I said, it don't look bad. It looks better than having the thing all over the place. Whatever. Yeah. Then I go ahead and I beat my face, tie on my hair, beat on my face, and then come back and take off this thing and then show you guys the reveal. And this reveal, okay, after I find out how I'm gonna style it, what I'm going to do. And I was feeling myself like I'm wearing a expensive ear, and it wasn't expensive. It was $35, okay? And I was feeling it, and after work I went. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Look out for my next video. I'm trying to upload at least 1 time per week. If I get it 2 times per week, it's a goal, okay? Bye-bye. Take care of your nice clean self and stay beautiful. Bye-bye. One love. Bye.
She's a star, she's a star. She's a star. She's a blessing. One in the mountain, running the place, yeah. Hustling with time, yeah. Money on the side. You a star. She's a go-getter, trendsetter. Ain't nobody know how she feel inside, so why you wanna take her life? Cause she's a star. Can I break that star? And she must real far. She's a star, yeah. She's a star, yeah. Hustle, and for the money, for the bread, yeah. You cannot break her down, you cannot break her meds, yeah. And she hustles round the corner, cause she sees the money maker. She's a go-getter.